Hello friends, welcome to Vedic Astrology Gyan. Friends, lots of people called me and did message me also and asked me to tell all about Manglik Yoga. That's why today I am here for my 19th episode. Today I will tell you all about Manglik Yoga. Friends, first I tell you about Mars planet. Mars planet is considered to be a Devata planet. Mars is an auspicious planet. In every auspicious matter, Mars is there. Like in marriages, bride wear red color clothes, red sindoor, red chuda. These all are significator of Mars planet. Whenever any person go for traveling, we always say have a fruitful journey. In Hindi, we call it as a Mangalmay Yatra. The blood which flows in our veins is also the significator of planet Mars. So Mars is an auspicious planet. Mars is just a harsh planet, not a bad planet. Friends, first I tell you about the consideration of Manglik Yoga. In any chart, if Mars is placed in first house, fourth house, seventh house, eighth house, or 12th house, in all these houses, Manglik Yoga is considered. Friends, I am telling you only in all these houses we consider Manglik Yoga. In actual, if Manglik Yoga is present or not, it depends on the cancellation points of Manglik. Friends, now I tell you all the cancellation points of Manglik Yoga. So first cancellation point of Manglik Yoga is if planet Mars is a functional benefic planet in any chart, then Manglik Yoga gets cancelled. Because definition of functional benefic planet is wherever it sits, wherever it sees, and wherever he goes, he gives the positive results regarding those houses. So a functional benefic planet is bound to give good results. The second cancellation point of Manglik Yoga is in any chart, if Mars is placed at 0 degree, then also Manglik Yoga gets cancelled because planet Mars have not entered any house. The third cancellation point of Manglik Yoga is if in any chart Mars is placed at 28th degree or 29th degree, then also Manglik Yoga gets cancelled because it is a Mrit Avastha of any planet. Mars lose all his strength in these degrees, so it will not give any negative results. The fourth cancellation point of Manglik Yoga is if in any chart Mars is placed with Moon in one house, then also Manglik Yoga gets cancelled because Moon is water and Mars is fire. Water can nullify the effect of fire, so Moon can calm Mars also if sits together. The fifth cancellation point of Manglik Yoga is if in any chart Mars is placed with Jupiter in one house, or even if Jupiter aspects Mars from anywhere, then also Manglik Yoga gets cancelled because Jupiter is the leader of all Devatas and Mars is bound to give respect to Jupiter and lose all his bad effect. The sixth cancellation point of Manglik Yoga is if in any chart Mars is placed in his own sign, which is Aries and Scorpio, then also Manglik Yoga gets cancelled because Mars will not destroy his own house. Mars is bound to save his own house. The seventh cancellation point of Manglik Yoga is if in any chart Mars is placed in his exaltation sign, which is Capricorn, then also Manglik Yoga gets cancelled because in exaltation sign Mars is bound to give good results. The eighth cancellation point of Manglik Yoga is if in any chart Lord of 7th house sits in his own house or aspects his own house, then also Manglik Yoga gets cancelled because 7th house Lord is there to protect his own house. So Mars will not be able to destroy 7th house, which is a house of marriage. The ninth cancellation point of Manglik Yoga is if in any chart Mars gets combusted by the sun, because then Mars have no existence in the chart. Rays of planet Mars will not reach in our body. So Manglik Yoga gets cancelled. Friends, there is a misconception that a Manglik guy can marry a Manglik girl only. This is not the full truth. Manglik yoga can also be nullified if in your partner's chart any cruel planet like Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, Sun, or Mars sits in the same house where the Mars is sitting in a male chart. Then also Manglik yoga gets cancelled. So friends, in 80% of the Kundli, Manglik yoga gets cancelled. So this is not a big issue if a software tells you that you have a Manglik yoga. So first read all these steps and all the cancellation points, then decide whether you are Manglik or not. So today I'm ending my episode here only. Hope you understood all about Manglik yoga. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel, which is Vedic Astrology Gyan, and do press the bell icon also for my latest videos. In my next episode, I will tell you the existence of Manglik yoga in each ascendant. Thank you, friends.